Welcome to this discussion on inserting X number of Excel worksheets in a workbook. I have already created one ActiveX control button and I have given the properties like this. I have, as you can see here, at the panel here, the name I have given for the control button is INS Excel SHT. I have also given the caption, namely insert sheets on the button. Now coming to the code part, as since now this is in the design mode, as you click here, you get to this visual basic coding editor part. So these two lines automatically come in. I mean the first line, the private sub, INS, etc., and N sub. So these two lines automatically come in as you would be knowing. Now in between, what are these lines? Let me explain to you. We are first activating the workbook which is already open. In other words, here I have got a workbook called the book 1. I am just activating that workbook. So active workbook dot activate. Okay, to activate any workbook, this is the command which you give. Now, subsequently, I'm selecting sheet 1, which is here. Okay, workbook sheet 1 dot select. Then these four lines are important as far as inserting the sheets are concerned. This command application dot display alerts is equal to false. We give like we don't want Excel every time when we insert a sheet to remind you that one sheet is being inserted. So we just disable the alerts because we know what we are going to do. So we are just the setting the display alerts to be false. So we don't want any alerts to be given to us. Then comes the main coding part. Okay. So how many sheets you want to insert? Here I want to insert 10 sheets. So this comes like a looping. So when it comes in looping, what you to repeat the operation for X number of times. Here I'm saying for I is equal to 1 to 10. So I want to insert 10 sheets. Okay. Instead of I, you can give any other alphabet also. Okay. So now what I'm saying every time until it reaches 10, I'm going to add a sheet. Sheets dot add. This is a keyword. Then again, this after or before. The normally when you insert Excel sheet, it will ask whether it's before or after a specific respective sheet. So here we are saying you please insert the sheet after the active sheet. Here the active sheet is sheet 1. So 10 number of sheets will be inserted after which falls behind sheet 1. Once a sheet is inserted, then we tell the command to move to the next I. So when sheet is inserted, then this becomes 2. Okay, then the second sheet is inserted. Then this is a looping. So this keeps repeating until the I becomes 10. So and once the I reaches 10, then the control goes out of the loop. It comes to the next line. Here, this command you need to know because we inserted the sheets. We don't want to just simply quit the workbook without saving the file. We are also saying instructing the Excel to save the workbook. So the command for saving the workbook is active workbook dot save. Fine. So active workbook dot activate is to open. Active workbook dot save is to save the workbook. So once that is done, that's all. And end sub. Let me just show you, illustrate this. Now this button is already in design mode. Let me let me toggle the design mode now. Okay, toggle it now. Let me click here. As you can see already, sheets are inserted here. Okay. So sheet 1 was there. Subsequently 10 more sheets have been inserted. That's it. Thank you.